Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is a new product we have on the market for Christmas. It's called the No Snore by Pa Connors. My name is Pa Connors and I'm here to tell you today about this lovely product, right? What you do when you're lying in bed at night time, if you have the wife and she's snoring like a pig, right, what you do is you open the product like this, right, and you pull it out and you give her a few good hair clatters into the fucking nose like that. And I tell you one thing, she'll be snoring no more. And you put it back in like that. And these are retailing at the moment for $29.99, but they're on offer today for $20. Thank you.